Let's face it, folks, there's no avoiding it. We all use it. That's right, we're talking about toilet paper, the unsung hero of the bathroom. It's a basic necessity, something we often take for granted. But have you ever stopped to think about how this essential item is made? It's a surprisingly fascinating journey, from forest to factory. And it all starts with a simple roll. We're diving deep into the world of toilet paper production. Get ready to have your mind blown by the ingenuity and efficiency behind this everyday product. We'll explore each step of the process, from sourcing the raw materials to packaging the final product. This isn't your average science class, folks. We're talking about the nitty-gritty, the behind-the-scenes action of how something so ordinary is actually pretty extraordinary. So buckle up, grab your hard hat, and maybe some hand sanitizer, as we unravel the mystery of how toilet paper rolls are made. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll never look at a roll of toilet paper the same way again. So, where does it all begin? The journey of toilet paper starts long before it reaches your bathroom. It begins in the heart of nature and the bustling activity of recycling plants. Toilet paper's origin story can be traced back to two main sources: virgin pulp and recycled paper. Each of these sources has its own unique process and significance in the production cycle. Virgin pulp comes directly from trees, specifically softwood trees like spruce and pine. These trees are chosen for their long fibers, which are essential for creating strong and durable toilet paper. These long fibers are meticulously processed and refined to ensure the highest quality. The strength of the fibers is what gives toilet paper its resilience and softness. Now I know what you're thinking, cutting down trees for toilet paper? It sounds alarming, but there's more to the story. Don't worry, it's not as bad as it sounds. The paper industry is heavily regulated to ensure sustainable practices are followed. Many companies are committed to reforestation, planting more trees than they harvest. This helps maintain the ecological balance and ensures a continuous supply of raw materials. Plus, using fast-growing trees for paper production is much more sustainable than using slow-growing hardwoods. These trees grow back quickly, making the process more efficient and less harmful to the environment. On the other side, we have recycled paper. This is where things get interesting and a bit more complex. Recycled paper involves collecting used paper products like newspapers, magazines, and office paper. These materials are then sorted meticulously to ensure only the best quality paper is used. The collected paper is cleaned and de-inked to remove any impurities. This process is crucial to ensure the recycled pulp is of high quality and suitable for making toilet paper. This recycled pulp is then mixed with virgin pulp. The combination of both types of pulp gives the toilet paper its desired texture, strength, and softness. Using recycled materials is a win-win. It not only helps in reducing waste but also conserves natural resources. By incorporating recycled paper, the environmental impact of toilet paper production is significantly lowered. It's a step towards a more sustainable future. It's all about finding that balance, folks, using what we have wisely and responsibly. By understanding the origins and processes behind toilet paper production, we can make more informed choices and support sustainable practices. Let's talk pulp. Pulp is the foundation of paper, and understanding its journey from raw material to finished product is fascinating. Whether it's virgin or recycled, the process starts the same way, breaking down those raw materials into a pulpy soup. This is the first crucial step in the paper-making process. Imagine a giant blender, but instead of fruit, it's churning wood chips or recycled paper. This industrial blender is designed to handle the tough job of breaking down these materials into smaller, more manageable pieces. This mixture is then combined with water and chemicals to separate the fibers and create a slurry. The water helps to soften the materials, while the chemicals break down the bonds holding the fibers together. This is where things get technical. The right balance of water and chemicals is crucial to ensure the fibers are properly separated without being damaged. The pulp goes through a multi-step process to remove impurities like ink, staples, and other contaminants. This cleaning process is essential to ensure the final product is of high quality. Think of it like a giant washing machine, only instead of clothes, it's cleaning pulp. The pulp is agitated and rinsed multiple times to remove any remaining impurities. The goal is to create a clean white pulp that's ready for the next stage. This purified pulp is the base for all kinds of paper products, from newspapers to toilet paper. This process is all about efficiency and precision. Every step is carefully monitored to ensure the pulp meets the required standards. The pulp needs to be just the right consistency, not too thick, not too thin, like Goldilocks and her porridge. Achieving this perfect consistency is key to producing high-quality paper. It's amazing to see the technology involved in transforming raw materials into something usable. The machinery used in modern paper mills is incredibly advanced and efficient. And let me tell you, the smell in this part of the factory is something else. The combination of wood, chemicals, and steam creates a unique aroma that's hard to forget. It's a unique blend of woodsy, chemical, and slightly sweet aromas. This distinctive smell is a byproduct of the materials and processes used in pulp production. Not exactly a walk in the park, but hey, that's the dirty truth behind clean toilet paper. Despite the challenges, the end result is worth it, a product that's essential in our daily lives. Section 4. Rollin', creating giant sheets of paper. In this section, we dive into the fascinating process of transforming raw pulp into enormous sheets of paper, a crucial step in the paper-making journey. Now that we have our clean pulp, it's time to turn it into something resembling paper. This is where the magic begins. The pulp, which is essentially a slurry of water and fibers, needs to be carefully handled to ensure the final product is of the highest quality. The pulp is spread out onto a wide moving mesh screen, kind of like a giant conveyor belt. This screen is designed to allow water to drain away while retaining the fibers, which will eventually form the paper. As the water drains away, the pulp fibers begin to bond together, forming a thin, continuous sheet. This bonding process is crucial as it determines the strength and consistency of the paper. This sheet then travels through a series of rollers that press out any remaining moisture and smooth out the surface. These rollers are meticulously calibrated to ensure the paper is evenly pressed and dried. The pressure is intense, folks, enough to squeeze out every last drop of water and create a paper sheet that's strong enough to, well, withstand the rigors of everyday use. The precision here is key to producing a durable and reliable product. This part of the process is all about speed and precision. The machinery operates at incredible speeds, ensuring that the paper is produced efficiently without compromising on quality. The paper sheet moves incredibly fast, and the rollers have to apply just the right amount of pressure to create a uniform thickness. This uniformity is essential for the paper's performance in various applications, from writing to printing. It's like watching a perfectly choreographed dance, only with heavy machinery and giant rolls of paper. Each component of the machinery works in harmony to produce a seamless sheet of paper. It's amazing to think that this massive, continuous sheet will eventually be transformed into countless individual rolls of toilet paper. Talk about a transformation. From a slurry of pulp to a product we use every day, the journey of paper is truly remarkable. The next time you use a sheet of paper, remember the incredible process it went through to get to you. Section 5, the crepe escape, achieving ultimate softness. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite part, softness. No one wants sandpaper in the bathroom, right? That's where creping comes in. It's the secret to achieving that cloud-like softness we all crave. The paper sheet is fed through a machine that gently scrapes it off a heated drum. This creates those tiny wrinkles, or crepes, that give toilet paper its signature texture and increase its softness and absorbency. Think of it like this: the more wrinkles, the more surface area. And the more surface area, the softer and more absorbent the toilet paper. It's all about maximizing comfort, folks, one tiny wrinkle at a time. The next time you unroll a fresh roll, take a moment to appreciate the science and engineering that went into creating that gentle, comforting feeling. It's the little things, right? Section 6, Jumbo-Sized Dreams, the art of the mega roll. At this point, we have a massive, continuous roll of soft, crepey paper, but it's not quite ready for your bathroom just yet. This mega roll, as it's called, can be several feet wide and weigh several tons. These jumbo rolls are carefully transported to a different part of the factory where they'll undergo their final transformation. It's quite a sight to see, folks, these massive rolls being moved around with such precision and care. The sheer scale of these rolls is mind-boggling. It really gives you a sense of the enormous volume of toilet paper that's produced every single day. And to think, it all starts with a single tree or a stack of old newspapers. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to turn raw materials into something so essential. And let's be honest, a little bit funny. I mean, we're talking about toilet paper here, folks.